trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap, being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you gotta pay it.
Hi guys, welcome back or to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing small knotless, and I'm going to curl the ends and possibly do bohemian. I haven't even watched videos on how to do bohemian or what hair to use, so I just picked a hair that I thought I could use from the beauty supply store. So yeah, I have videos of both the straight hair I use and the curly hair I use, and then I'm going to show you the products I also use as well. Here, and this comb with a very sharp end. So yeah, this is my stuff that I'm using, as well as clips, hair ties, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so some of the videos that I have, like some of the comments I have in my other videos, they're like, how do you get your parts like that? How do you get your parts like that? Okay, I have a big body mirror right here, big body mirror right there, and then I just created my doohickey. So I take a mirror and I duct tape it to my ring light. And the same way y'all are seeing the back of my head is the same way that I part my head, but with the big mirror. So right here, I'm looking in that mirror and I'm parting my head just like that. So yeah. Now we're gonna get started. Made a video. I decided I'm not doing the hoodie. Okay. So it's a small knotless video with curly ends on myself.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of little change that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good